Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today I'll show you how to set up Facebook Pixel on Shopify to track visitor activity and improve your ad performance. Stay tuned until the end so you don't miss any steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tutorial Lore. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a Facebook Pixel 1. Go to Meta Business Suite at business.facebook.com. 2. Click on Events Manager from the left menu. 3. Select Connect Data Sources, then choose Web and click Connect. 4. Name your pixel and enter your Shopify store URL, then click Continue Step. 2. Copy the pixel code. Step 3. Connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify 1. In Shopify, go to Online Store Preferences. 2. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. 3. Paste your Facebook Pixel ID in the provided field. Click Save to apply the changes. Step 4. Verify Pixel Installation 1. Go back to Facebook Events Manager and click Test Events. 2. Enter your Shopify store URL and click Open Website. 3. Navigate through your store to check if Facebook is tracking the events properly. Step 5. Enable Advanced Matching and Events. That's it. You've successfully set up Facebook Pixel on Shopify. Now you can track visitor activity and optimize your ads for better conversions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore. See you in the next video.